Hello everybody, CozyAzeroth, aka Zachary Fruhling here, back with program number 3 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I am on program number 3, which is C2 Dice. So let's go ahead and read the program introduction, and then we'll type in the program and run it. Here's a quick way to add real dice to any fun program you are designing for your computer. This program rolls 2 dice and lets you see the results as with real dice. This is especially useful in those games where it is important to see the value of each. The subroutine in lines 100 through 140 generates the necessary pair of random numbers. Lines 60, 70, and 80 make the display you want. Note that lines 60 and 80 each have 9 asterisks. Line 140 is a return and must be the last line in the program. After you type in and run the program, press Enter on your computer's keyboard to roll the dice. Okay. Program listing. 10 randomize. Oh, let's get in TI Basic. 10 randomize. 15 call clear. Okay. 20 print to roll 2 dice. To roll 2 dice, comma. 30 input, press enter. And let's get it exactly as written, no punctuation. And we have KY string, which is this book author's favorite way of moving forward in a program, waiting until you hit enter, and it just stores the input as an arbitrary string that's not used for anything. Okay, so 40 print. Okay, let's get the rest of the program here. 50 go sub 100, so go to subroutine on line number 100. 50 go sub, not 500, excuse me. Go sub, I can avoid typos, 100, there we go. 60, print, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Did it say 9 asterisks? 60 and 80 each have 9 asterisks. Okay. It's more than 9. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So a little typo in the book there, it looks like. 60 print. Okay. So 13 asterisks. And if it's 9 after all, we'll discover it pretty quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 70 print. A little careful with the spacing here. So we have an asterisk and a space, in quote, we have a colon, and we have DL, another colon, and we have quote, space, asterisk, space, quote, space, asterisk, space, quote, semicolon, DR, semicolon. Then we have quote, space, asterisk, quote, quote, space, asterisk, quote. Okay, line 80, looks like 13 asterisks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 90 print. 95 go to 20. This book is not terribly consistent about the use of increments of 10 for line numbers. Okay, 100. So DL equals int, integer of 7 times RND. 7 times RND. 110, if DL is less than 1, then 100. If DL is less than 1, and then a 100. Line 120. dr equals int 7 times rnd. I guess dl stands for left die and dr stands for right die. 130. It should be the same thing. If dr is less than 1, then 120. If dr is less than 1, then 120. And 140, return. Okay. That looks good. My only concern is the number of asterisks, since the description of the program says that lines 60 and 80 have 9 asterisks, but the printout of the program had 13. So let's see what we end up with. To roll 2 dice, press enter. Okay, that looks pretty good. I think it was 13 after all. Okay. To roll 2 dice, press enter. To roll 2 dice, press enter. That's all this program does. And we should never get anything but a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 in either spot. So we have left die and right die. Okay. I'm glad we had the right number of asterisks there. Now let's break the program. List the program one more time. And if everyone will humor me, I'm going to run the program once more and get a screenshot of the, oops, 6 and 6. Nope, I'm trying to get a good screenshot here. 6 and 6 is a boring combination of numbers. There we go. Let's get a screenshot here. Okay, well, that's all this program does. Rolls 2 dice. That's what's fun about the programs in this book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. The programs are small, modular. You can use them as part of a larger program, and I think what's fun is this, this is a very highly abstract way of representing 2 dice. Now, it would be cool to have a little display that shows up, a different number of asterisks for the dots or something. You could imagine a reworking of this program, making a little abstract representation, visual representation of 2 dice, which I think is what's going on here. There are 2 boxes. Each box is literally supposed to represent a die, and the numbers, of course, are in place of the dots on the die. But I can imagine a different way of doing this that would be much cooler. But anyways, very, very basic program. And I think, you have to, if you like these old basic programs, you have to have a leap of abstract imagination to make them fun, right? This is, while you're looking at these asterisks and numbers, you have to visualize dice. It's so much fun. Anyways, I'll be back at some point with program number 4. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel for other TI-99 4A content and other retro programming content, along with some modern World of Warcraft game streaming. If you're watching this on Twitch, be sure to follow me on YouTube and like and subscribe. I appreciate all of it, and I appreciate your tuning in. Have a good day, everyone. Catch you next time.